Right, so I've just come home, luckily in time for the postman. He was just outside my door, so way in tune with the universe today. I do believe this is my Charlotte Tilbury package. Now, I've never bought anything from Charlotte Tilbury before, so this is a first. Let's open her up and see what she's saying. Oh, wow. Oh, that's lovely. That's really nice. I like that. Got a purple box. Got what I believe to be my receipt. Yep. And then the actual package, which is gift wrapped, which I think is such a lovely touch. I didn't choose it to be gift wrapped, but this is how it's come. So let's open her up and see what I got. Wow. Based on this packaging, I think I would definitely buy from Charlotte Tilbury again. Oh, wow. Okay, so I've got my lip lustre, lasting lip lacquer, and I believe I got this in colour Blondie. Yep, Blondie. And then what else do I have? I'm really excited about this one. I have my Eyes to Memorize long lasting colour in rose gold. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Okay, so it's the end of this unboxing, and I will do a video to show what they look like. Bye guys. Hi guys, I'm back. This is Charlotte Tilbury Rose Gold on my eyes and Charlotte Tilbury Lasting Lip Lacquer in Blondie on my lips. Now I'm loving this shine. I don't know what you guys think, but brilliant, perfect for my trip away. More on that to come soon. If you like this video, then please give me a subscribe, thumbs up, like the video, and share. Bye guys.